Good morning. I am S. Shankar, lecturer in zoology, Government Degree College, Bhimgal. Today topic thyroid gland. First one is anatomy, location. Lower part of the front and side of the neck opposite to the cervix 5, 6, 7 and thoracic 1 vertebra. Lower part of the front and side of the neck opposite to the cervix 5, cervix 6, cervix 7. And thoracic 1 vertebra. Each lateral lobe extend upwards to oblique line of thyroid cartilage and below up to the 5th or 6th tracheal ring. Below up to the 5th or 6th tracheal ring. The isthmus extend across the midline in front. The isthmus extend across the midline in front. In the front of the second and third and fourth tracheal ring. In front of the second and third and fourth tracheal rings. Hyoid bone and cartilage ligament and thyroid cartilage. This is one diagram. One is the thyroid cartilage and cricoid cartilage and cricothyroid ligament, hyoid bone. Thyroid gland, pyramidal lobe. One is right lobe, one is isthmus, left lobe and right lobe and trachea. Left lobe and right lobe attached to the isthmus extended across the midline in front of the second and third and fourth tracheal ring. Another one, transfer section of the anterior part of the neck at the level of isthmus, showing relation of thyroid gland. Transverse section of the anterior part of the neck and at the level of isthmus, showing relations of thyroid gland. First one is prevertebral fascia, invertebral fascia, anterior jugular vein and cricoid sheath containing common carotid artery, internal jugular vein and vagus nerve. Sympathetic chain behind. Strip muscles. Ollicidomastoid, sternohyoid, sternohyoid. This is strip muscles. Homioid. Fourth one is homioid. Internal jugular vein. The transverse section of the anterior part of the neck at the level of isthmus, showing relation of thyroid gland. Next one is blood supply. Arterial supply. superior thyroid artery branch of external carotid artery upper 1/3 third and upper half of the isthmus. Superior thyroid artery branch of external carotid artery upper 1 and 1/3 third and upper half of the isthmus. Inferior thyroid artery branch of thyrocervical trunk from the first part of the subclavian artery lower second by third of the lobe and lower half of the isthmus. Inferior thyroid artery one of the branch of thyrocervical trunk from the first part of the subclavian artery lower 2/3 of the lobe and lower half of the isthmus. Thyroidia artery in 30% of cases. Thyroidia IMA artery in 30% cases. Accessory thyroid arteries. Venous drainage. Superior thyroid vein drains into the internal jugular vein. Superior thyroid vein drains into the internal jugular vein. Middle thyroid vein drains into internal jugular vein. Middle thyroid vein drains into internal jugular vein. Inferior thyroid vein drains into left brachiocephalic vein. Inferior thyroid vein drains into left brachiocephalic vein, that is venous drainage. Superior thyroid vein and middle thyroid vein and inferior thyroid vein. Superior thyroid vein means drains into the internal jugular vein. Middle thyroid vein drains into internal jugular vein. Inferior thyroid vein drains into left brachiocephalic vein. This is venous drainages. Thyroid gland external, that is external carotid artery. First one is, second one is superior thyroid artery, and next one internal jugular vein, middle thyroid vein, inferior thyroid artery, thyrocervical trunk, subclavian artery, inferior thyroid vein, left brachiocephalic innominate vein is blood vessels. This is thyroid gland. Two lobes, right lobes and left lobes, are middle part of the isthmus. Two lobes are attached to isthmus. External carotid artery, superior thyroid artery and vein, internal jugular vein, middle thyroid vein, inferior thyroid artery and thyrocervical trunk, subclavian artery, inferior thyroid vein, left brachiocephalic vein, blood vessels. lymphatic drainage, lymphatic, upper group and lower group. Upper group and lower group. Upper group into pre-laryngeal and upper deep cervical. Upper group into pre-laryngeal and upper deep cervical lymph nodes. Jugulo-digastric lymph nodes. Lower group into the pretracheal and lower deep. Lower group into pretracheal and lower deep cervical lymph nodes and nodes along the recurrent laryngeal nerves. Those from lower part of the isthmus drain into retrosternal or brachiocephalic nodes in the superior mediastinum. The lower group into pretracheal and lower deep cervical lymph nodes and nodes along the recurrent laryngeal nerve. Those from lower part of isthmus drain into retrosternal or brachiocephalic nodes in the superior mediastinum. Next one is nerve supply. Parasympathetic nerve derived from vagus and recurrent laryngeal nerve. Parasympathetic derived from vagus and recurrent laryngeal nerves. Sympathetic derived from superior, middle and inferior cervical sympathetic ganglia, mainly from the middle one. Derived from superior and middle and inferior cervical sympathetic ganglia, mainly from the middle one. That is nerve supply. Histology. The thyroid gland. The thyroid gland consists of two types of secretory cells of follicular and parafollicular. The thyroid gland consists of two types of secretory cells, follicular and parafollicular. The follicular cells are cuboidal epithelial cells forming the wall of the spherical thyroid follicles. The follicular cells are cuboidal epithelial cells forming the wall of spherical thyroid follicles. Thyroid gland and parathyroid gland. They secrete two hormones, thyroxine and trihydrothyronine. The follicular cells are cuboidal epithelial cells forming the wall of spherical thyroid follicles. They secrete two hormones, thyroxine and trihydrothyronine. The parafollicular cells are C cells. The parafollicular cells is C cells and the follicular cells are cuboidal epithelial cells. Lie between the basement membrane and the follicular cells. Lie between the basement membrane and the follicular cells. They secrete a hormone called thyrocalcitonin. They secrete a hormone is called thyrocalcitonin or calcitonin. The parafollicular cells are C cells. This is important cells. Lie between the basement membrane and the follicular cells. They secrete a hormone is called thyrocalcitonin or calcitonin. This is parathyroid gland. Thyroid gland, parapollicular cells and follicular cells. Thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, Opie cells, key cells and capsules blood vessels. One is Opie cells and key cells and capsules and blood vessel. Parathyroid gland. Thyroid gland secretion of the three hormones. One is the thyroxine and trihydrothyronin and thyrocalcitonin or calcitonin. Physiology of the thyroid gland. Physiology of the thyroid gland. Two important thyroid hormones. Two important thyroid hormones. Thyroxine T4 or trihydrothyronin. Trihydrothyronin T3. Two important of the thyroid hormones. First one is thyroxine T4. Trihydrothyronin. Tetrahydrothyronin is T4. Trihydrothyronin T3. Secreted by follicular cells. Secreted by follicular cells. Having significant effect on the metabolic rate. Having significant effect on the metabolic rate of the body. Calcitonin secreted by parapollicular cells. Secreted by parapollicular cells. Important hormones for calcium plus to metabolism and homeostasis. Calcium and metabolism and homeostasis. Physiology of the thyroid gland. Two important thyroid hormones, thyroxine or tetrahydrothyronin T4, trihydrothyronin T3. Secreted by follicular cells. Only the thyroxine and trihydrothyronin and tetrahydrothyronin very important hormones. Secreted by only follicular cells. Having significant effect on the metabolic rate of the body. Having significant effect on the metabolic rate of the body. Only calcitonin secreted by follicular cells. Calcitonin secreted by parapollicular cells. Important hormone for calcium and metabolism and homeostasis. That is physiology of the thyroid gland. Next one is synthesis of thyroid hormones. Synthesis of the thyroid hormones. First one is plasma iodide. Next one is trapping of iodide. Next one is oxidation of iodide. Iodination of tyrosine in the thyroid gland to from MIT and DIT. Iodination of tyrosine in the thyroid gland to from MIT and MIT and DIT. Coupling to from T4 and T3. Tetrahydrothyronin and trihydrothyronin. Storage in thyroid gland. Storage in thyroid gland. Release of T4, the storage in thyroid gland, releasing of tetrahydrothionein and trihydrothionein in the blood. Peripheral conservation of tetrahydrothionein and trihydrothionein. Peripheral conservation of T4 and T3. Deodonations and synthesis of thyroid hormone. First one is plasma iodide. Second one is tracking of iodide. Next one is oxidation of iodide. Iodination of tyrosine in thyroid gland to form mit and det. Coupling to from T4 and T3. Storage in the thyroid gland. Releasing of T4 and T3 in the blood. Peripheral conservation of tetrahydrothionein to trihydrothionein. Iodinations. Iodinations. First one, plasma iodide. Lysosome target cells. Trapping. First one is trapping. Second one is releasing thioperoxidase, oxygen H2O2, thioperoxidase and target cell mit-det, it coupling target cells. T3, T4, MIT det. This is releasing endocytosis and lysosomes. Lysosome secreted by the proteolysis, it deoxynation and secretion. Deoxynation and other trapping and secretion deiodinations. T4 and T3. Synthesis, storage and secretion of thyroid hormone. Synthesis, secretion, storage and secretion of thyroid hormone. Target cell, thyroglobulin, mit, monohydrotyrosine and dihydrotyrosine. Monohydrotyrosine and dihydrotyrosine, DIT. Next one is T3, trihydrotyrosine, T4, thyroxine. Thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH. Active steps and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ionic inhibitor block step 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Excess iodide interfere with step and 1 to 5th with primary action in step 3 and 5. Prophylactically and inhibit step 2 and 6th. Steps 2 and 6th, deodination and carbamazole inhibits steps 2 only. Carbamazole inhibits step 2 only. Synthesis, storage of secretion of thyroid hormones. Target cell, thyroglobulin, TG, thyroglobulin, MIT, monohydrothyronine, DIT, dihydrothyronine, T3, trihydrothyronine, T4, tetrahydrothyronin and thyroxine. Thyroid stimulating hormone TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone activity steps 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 5th ionic inhibitor block step and excess iodide interfere with steps 1 to 5th primary action on step 3 and 5 profile accurately inhibitor steps 2nd and 6th carbamazole inhibitor step 2 only. First one trapping and second one is thyroperoxidase, third one is coupling and monohydrothyronin and dihydrothyronin thyroglobin coupling and T3 T4 releases a thyroglobin and endocytosis target cell and a thyroglobin attached to the lysosome releasing 4-5 step proteolysis and secretion and deiodination of DIT-MIT monohydrothyronin and dihydrothyronin thyroxine trihydrothyronin and tetrahydrothyronin secretion T4 T3 deionization and T4 and T3 cells. Action of thyroid system hormones. Action of thyroid and thyroid system of hormones. Cholinergic heart production action thyroid hormone thermogenesis. Cholinergic heart production thyroid hormone thermogenesis. First one in hypothalamus and thyrotropin releasing hormone anterior pituitary gland. Native feedback thyroid stimulating hormone TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone thyroid gland. Thyroid hormones T3 and T4 increased metabolism, growth and development, increasing catecholamine effect, increases metabolism. Anterior pituitary gland, hypothalamus, thyrotropin releasing hormone, hypothalamus secretion of the anterior pituitary gland and thyrotropin releasing hormone and TSS, thyroid stimulating hormone and thyroid gland. The thyroid hormone secretion by the T3 and T4, T3 trihydrothyronin and T4 tetrahydrothyronin, increases metabolism, growth and development, increases catecholamine effect. The cholinergic heart production action thyroid hormone thermogenesis on CVS, increases of pulse rate, increases in force of contraction and decrease in circulation time. Action of thyroid hormones. 1. CVS increases in pulse rate, increase in force of contraction and decrease in circulation time. The action of thyroid hormones. First one is cholinergic heart production action thyroid hormones thermogenesis. Only cholinergic heart. On CVS increases in pulse rate, increase in force of contraction and decrease in circulation time. Anterior pituitary gland and hypothalamus main hypothalamus, anterior pituitary gland and posterior pituitary gland. Anterior pituitary gland and releasing thyrotropin releasing thyroxine hormone and thyroid stimulating hormone, that is releasing pituitary gland. Anterior pituitary gland, native feedback thyroid gland. Thyroid hormone T3 and T4 increase metabolism, growth and development, increase catecholamine effect of the thyroid gland. On protein metabolism, anabolic. On protein metabolism, anabolic increases protein synthesis, resulting in positive nitrogen balance. Increases protein synthesis, resulting in positive nitrogen balance. On protein metabolism, anabolic protein metabolism increase protein synthesis, resulting in positive nitrogen balance. On carbohydrate metabolism, produce two opposite effects. Effects the balance each other insulin like action. Increases peripheral utilization of glucose, causing hyperglycemia. On carbohydrate metabolism produce two opposite effects that balance each other insulin like action. Increases peripheral utilization of glucose, causing hypoglycemia, hyperglycemia. One lipid metabolism, cholesterol decreases serum levels. One lipid metabolism, cholesterol decreases serum levels. Lipids, T4 decreases the storage of triglycerides and phospholipids. Lipids, tetrahydrothionein decreases the stores of triglycerides and phospholipids. On protein metabolism, anabolic increase protein synthesis in resulting in positive nitrogen balance. On carbohydrate metabolism, produce two opposite effects that balance each other insulin like action. Increases peripheral utilization of glucose, causing hypoglycemia and hyperglycemia. Utilization of glucose causing hypoglycemia and hyperglycemia. On lipid metabolism, cholesterol and decrease serum levels. Cholesterol decreases serum levels. Lipids, T4 decreases the stores of triglycerides and phospholipids. Lipids, tetrahydrothionein decreases the stores of triglycerides and phospholipids. Also required for bone marrow metabolism, growth and development, gonadal development, CNS central nervous system development, galactopoiesis, hepatic conservation of B carotene to vitamin A. Also requires for bone marrow metabolism, growth and development, gonadal development and central nervous system is development, galactophoresis, and hepatic conservation of carotenes to vitamin A. Synthesis thyroid hormone, one more, plasma iodide. Second one is trapping of iodide, and next one is oxidation of iodide. This is main plasma iodide and deiodination is very important. Trapping of iodide and oxidation of iodide. The oxidation of iodide is iodination of tyrosine in thyroid gland to from MIT and DIT. Monohydrothyronine and dihydrothyronine, MIT and DIT. Coupling to from T4 and T3. Storage in thyroid gland. Releasing of tetrahydrothyronine and trihydrothyronine in blood. Release of tetrahydrothyronine and trihydrothyronine in blood. Peripheral conservation of T4 and T3. Peripheral conservation of T4, tetrahydrothyronine and trihydrothyronine. The plasma iodide deiodination. This is one deiodination. First one trapping, second one thyroid peroxidase, and next one coupling and monohydrothyroxine and dihydrothyroxine and thyroglobulin releasing T3 and T4 and endocytosis attached to the endocytosis attached to the lysosome in the middle part, thyroglobulin and lysosome releasing proteolysis and proteolysis secretion thyrohydrothyronine tetrahydrothyronine, secretion of the thyrohydrothyronine and tetrahydrothyronine, deiodination. After deiodination, action of thyroid system. The cholinergic heart production action thyroid hormone thermogenesis on central CVS, increases in pulse rate, increases in force of contraction and decrease in circulation time. One protein metabolism anabolic in increases protein synthesis resulting in positive nitrogen balance on carbohydrate metabolism produced to opposite effect that balance each other insulin line action increases peripheral utilization of glucose causing hypoglycemia and hyperglycemia. On lipid metabolism, cholesterol decreases serum levels. Lipids T4 decreases the stores of triglycerides and phospholipids. Also required for bone marrow metabolism and growth and development. Gonadal development and CNS development, central nervous system is development, and galactophoresis and hepatic conversion of B carotene to vitamin A. Hepatic conversion of B carotene to vitamin A. Thank you for all.